hopefuls, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing wonderful. So I have a Walmart grocery haul here to share with you. Today I needed some fruits and some vegetables that I wanted to pick up that we were missing. I hope I didn't forget anything. We went after the movies. The boys are on spring break and we saw Sonic 2 and it was really good. JJ actually works at the movies. So I think this is the first time we have been to the movies. I know JJ has been. JJ is my middle son since the Rona. So it was fun to get out, and I know y'all like people being outside, hope, but you know, seem like, I don't know, y'all, with my mother-in-law passing away, and then last seemed like during the Rona, all that time, Jason was studying, and what else were we doing? So like the last couple of years, he'd been studying for something, and then we just became homebodies, y'all, don't get out. And so anyway, it just felt so good to get out. And I went ahead and I took the boys on my own, which I've done plenty of times before. But we just like to do stuff together. Anyway, let's get started. So the movie is really good. So check it out, y'all. I think it's going to be, y'all ain't going to give no spoilers. Okay, so I got a half-pounder patties. It's the first time I've seen these. And I was just going to like put them on a broiler pan. And make my own sauce. Dang, I ain't got no mushrooms, I don't think, like I did before. So anyway, I got some red onions and some turkey sausage, 2 of those. This haul, y'all, was $172. That's all I'm gonna say. Some raspberries, some grape tomatoes. I needed some strawberries. I hope these last because they look a little dark to me. I got some of these potatoes. These are 0 points on WW. That's what I'm doing right now. So if you're like new to the channel or whatever, doing good so far. I got some reduced fat Fiesta cheese. This is the only cheese that I saw reduced fat. I usually don't mind. I think I left something in the bag, y'all. I usually don't mind getting the whole fat, but sometimes them points add up. So I got this today, but there ain't much in there. Y'all see? It was $2.18. I got a pineapple. I kind of took a break on the pineapples because the last couple of ones I had, I guess they weren't quite in season and they just were not good. Okay. I have been watching the home edit. I have been decluttering. I got rid of a bunch of clothes. Y'all, I'm going to show y'all, but I'm embarrassed that all them clothes on the floor. But I don't have used them, I don't have wear them, and I don't love them. So I got rid of a lot of clothes, and some I needed to throw away. So I'll share that with you all. But I've been watching the home edit on Netflix, and what I saw first was, I might have seen them on Instagram, but I don't recall it. But I was in line and I saw their magazine and I was like, what is the home edit? And then I saw stars on the Netflix series. And I said, oh, those are the ladies who have the bins that everybody's talking about on Instagram. And so I was like, you know what? So I watched season 2 first. And then now I'm watching season 1. I know y'all went backwards. And I just love how, you know, how they do their personality, how they do the color, the organization, and everything. And anyway, so that magazine is a lot. It's $14.99, and I said that was one of the reasons why I went to Walmart as well. Almost forgot. This was $9.96. I don't know if I'm going to use this for my cabinets, probably so, or under my sink. I kind of want one taller for my sink. Okay, I got some spring mix, y'all, and some eggs. I was going to get the big 60-count eggs because of Easter, but they didn't have but one box that was already open. I got some Peter Pan honey roast peanut butter. They love this. This is good. Sometimes when I need a sweet fix, and I just get that spoon, 1 big tablespoon of peanut butter, and eat it, and it's so good. I got some broccoli florets. I got 2 of those, and I got some baby carrots. I haven't picked those up in a while. I got 2 bags of grapes because we go through them really quick. So I have like a lot of clear containers. I'll share one day in a video. I got these from Aldi. I don't even know if this one's clean. Probably something was in it, probably tomatoes. And I have one taller, and I usually put grapes in it, and I take it off the vine. And sometimes I'll clean them and leave them on the counter, which I make a mistake doing. And Jason will just keep coming back, and he eats all my grapes up. They're everybody grapes, but y'all get, he's a grazer. Okay, so then I got this meal planner pad. Y'all really didn't need it, but I like the color and the flowers. And you see the layout here, and then it has a tear pad that says market list, and it was $4. It has a magnet on the back. And yeah, I got that. I really didn't need that. Okay, then I got some bananas. I picked up some more chunk like tuna. If you stock up just a little bit at a time, every time you go in there. I should have got a bag of rice because we did go through a whole container of rice. So I need to get some more rice to replace that. But anyway, it does add up. I got some honey wheat bread, and I got the 45 calorie bread. I like this. I might put most of this in the freezer and take some of it out and put it in the fridge because it has like they didn't have many on the shelf. And today is the 13th, and it had the 14th day on it. Oh, man. I probably shouldn't have got it, but y'all know bread usually lasts longer now. But anyway, I have been trying to shop the sales too, and I didn't share with you guys. One haul that I did from Walmart, and then it was like some protein and some salmon that I wanted to pick up, and some kombucha, that sugar-free kombucha. I think it's called Yum. If it's called Yum, something else, y'all, that I was going to tell you. Yeah, I've been shopping the sales. So Harris Teeter had those Yasso bars. I love the salt caramel bars. They're 100 calories or 90 calories. And the brownie fudge is so good. Usually I have that at the end of the day. And it's just so good. And I'm satisfied. And I drink some water and I'm good. So they had those for $1.97, y'all, or $2.97. They're usually $5 a box. So shop your sales if your store is Publix or ShopRite or whatever. Sign up for their rewards and make sure you shop your sales and get those discounts. They also had like Sara Lee bread last week for the Friday eVic or weekend eVic at the end of the week for $1.77. And this bread went up a whole dollar. I was getting it for like $2.80 something. Now it's $3 something. So yeah, y'all. Okay, so I got some. Ooh, did I get the wrong kind? I did. Okay. I meant to get the cherry zero. I was wondering why it was two different sections. And then I got some case of water and the Sunkist Diet Sunkist or Zero. Y'all know the sugar-free Sunkist soda. Oh, man. All right, and let me show you the rest of the home edit stuff I got. Okay, y'all, so I did get this bin here, the large size and organized everything large bin by the Home Edit. And I like that their bins, at first, when I first saw how they decorated, at first when I saw them without even watching the show, I was just like, I don't need that. But after watching the show, you can get any acrylic bins, but I like the look of clear acrylic bins, which I have been getting them, which I have to share with you a haul from Marshall's. But that was before I started watching the Home Edit. And then when I watched their show, I was just like, OMG, I need these bins in my life so I can see my stuff. And then create that look that I was looking for, because I also said that in my Marshall's haul, you guys will see. So I got this one. This was the very last one because I'm on the tail end of this, and people probably already been shopping these, you know, already. But you can find them online on Walmart.com because I did order like 3 other ones that I have not seen in store. And this was the last one at my store. It was $24, so it's a 5-piece. And you get like these reach-in bins. I think that's what they call stacking bins. You get the narrow bin here, and then you get this turnable one. And that's not bad for $24. Especially, I was looking at, yeah, that's not bad at all. So I may go back and get another one of these because I want to organize that little, you know, I don't know, them two little white, not little, but them white pantries that I have in my dining room. I almost forgot, y'all, I did get some top ramen because those boys is just eating top ramen sometimes. And so I just want to keep that stockpile up. And then I got some Baby Bell. It was tucked in between something, so I didn't even see it. I should have compared, but I didn't feel like pulling out my phone in the store. The WW points compared to the light and the regular Baby Bell semi-cheese. And then I did get this budget book, y'all. I know I have the Budget Mom planner, but sometimes the sheets, y'all, they overwhelm me. When I get to like closing out the budget and all that stuff for the month. So I really need to take the time out to watch her videos or other people's videos on it. And yeah. Yeah, I'm just leave it at that. So this was $2.88. I was looking at this before, but I decided not to get it. And they also had like some other little books I'm gonna see online, like a travel planner book, and I can't remember the other one, but I remember it was Pen and Gear. And I didn't get it, and I wish I did because they don't even have that anymore. But they had plenty of these. I don't know what Walmart I was in, but this is what it looks like. And I just figured I can just write it down right quick and transfer it to my Budget Mom book. Because sometimes the new month comes and I have not even written it down. So like, I don't think it's a section for subscriptions. I don't think in the Budget Mom book, but she has like printables on her website for those things. Yearly payments. Just something quick and easy that I can write it down. And I thought it was a spending tracker somewhere. There it is. Spending summary. And then I want to put it in my bigger book. Something else in the back that isn't in the Budget Mom book. But I think she has printables. It's a debt tracker. Debt tracker right here. So I have a couple of bills, just mine by myself, that I want to pay off, and I want to pay off my car really quickly. So I decided to pick up, like lately, I just started like going back doing DoorDash, just so I can get some extra money to pay those things off quicker. So at one time, let's see, you know, Jason told me, he said, give me a list of what you owe. But, you know, I just want to do it myself. And it's not much, but it, you know, I'm going to pay it off and pay it off soon. I want to pay this car off. Yeah. And I want to get more income to use for my sinking funds for my envelopes and stuff. So that's why I haven't decided if I'm going to go back to Instacart or not. But y'all know I'll just do DoorDash. But anyway. So let me let y'all go. Hope you guys are doing great and doing wonderful. Don't forget, I have a meal plan down below for you guys to check out. And it's 12 months free. It is a Pinterest board that also corresponds with that. And videos explaining how the different months correspond to like salads or soups, depending on the season or holidays. And then I have my Family Fulfilled Table course that's absolutely free. There's workbooks in there. There are thankful cards. There are free menu templates in there. Just check that out, y'all. And also check out my Etsy shops down below. Thanks so much for always supporting, always watching. I am so grateful for you guys for even caring to watch this channel, watch or hear me talk. And I appreciate you guys so, so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't mind my painting, y'all. That's my whole painting home improvement kit over here. All right, y'all. Bye.